In this video, I will show you how to fix USB device not recognized error code 43 on Windows 11. We will go through 5 methods: reconnecting and checking the USB, reinstalling the driver, updating the USB controller, disabling power saving options, and running the hardware troubleshooter. Let's get started. First method, disconnect and reconnect the USB device. Unplug the device from your computer and plug it into a different USB port. If you're using a USB hub, try connecting it directly to the computer instead. Also, restart your PC and try again. Sometimes a simple restart or reconnect fixes temporary driver glitches that cause the code 43 error. Second method, reinstall the USB driver. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Now find the device that shows a yellow warning sign or says Unknown USB Device. Right-click it and choose Uninstall Device. Once it's removed, disconnect the USB, restart your PC, then reconnect it. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh driver. This method updates the USB controller drivers. In the same Device Manager window, right-click on each entry under Universal Serial Bus Controllers and choose Update Driver. Do this for all the USB root hubs and generic USB hubs listed. If Windows finds new drivers, install them. Once done, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. Fourth method, disable USB selective suspend to prevent Windows from turning off power to your USB ports. Click the Start menu, type Edit Power Plan, and open it. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. In the window that opens, scroll down and expand USB Settings. Change both options on battery and plugged then to disabled. Then unplug and replug your USB device again. Fifth method, run the hardware troubleshooter. Press Windows R, type CMD, and press Enter. In the command prompt, type this command, msdt.exe-id device. Press Enter and the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter will open. Click Next and let it scan for any problems. It will automatically fix driver or hardware issues that cause error code 43. If you have tried all these methods and the error still appears, test the USB device on another computer. If it's not detected there either, the device itself might be faulty. But if it works fine on another PC, it means the issue is with your Windows drivers. In that case, reinstalling or updating Windows usually fixes it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows 11 fixes. See you in the next one.